Hey guys, what's happening? You want to sideload apps on iPhone, okay? Sideloading means installing an app on your iPhone outside the App Store from a .ipa file or custom build. People sideload to test apps or run apps Apple rejects for legit reasons or use tooling for developers. It's allowed technically, but constrained by Apple's signing system. Important safety and legal notes: don't sideload pirated apps. That's illegal and often malware infested. Only install .ipa files from sources you trust. Sideloading bypasses App Store vetting. Apple limits what you can do with free Apple ID. Certificate expires. App certificates expire after 7 days. Paid developer program. You have to pay around $100 a year. Gives 1 year signatures. Enterprise signed apps, third-party stores links can be revoked by Apple anytime. They're convenient but unstable and riskier. Prerequisites, right? What you will need: a Mac or Windows PC, a Lightning or USB-C cable, an Apple ID. Free is okay, but paid developer account is optional but better. The .ipa file you want to install or the app's Xcode project. For iOS 16 Plus developer mode, you may need to enable developer mode paired with Xcode once. Okay. Main save methods ranked by reliability. AltStore, right? Best for regular users who want to sideload reliability, right? AltStore basically, right here. AltStore runs locally and reassigns apps using your Apple ID, so you can install them without jailbreaking. You can run Alt Server on your computer and install AltStore app to the iPhone. Pros: no jailbreak needed, community trusted, more stable than random enterprise sites, works with many popular tweak or IPA providers. Cons: free Apple ID, apps must be re-signed every 7 days. Alt Server can re-sign automatically when your phone is on some Wi-Fi or on same Wi-Fi as your computer. Requires Alt Server running on your PC occasionally. Okay, on your computer, download and install the Alt Server, Windows or Mac. Connect iPhone to computer with USB and trust the computer on the phone. And run Alt Server and choose Install AltStore. Pick your device. Sign in with your Apple ID when prompted. On iPhone, go to the settings. Let me go back. Settings, General, VPN and device management, and trust the developer profile for your Apple ID if required. And then download an IPA if you want. Or use AltStore's My Apps to sideload. Open the .ipa file with AltStore, hit share, and then hit open in AltStore, or use AltStore Plus to install an IPA. AltStore signs and installs the app. Keep Alt Server available on the same network weekly to auto refresh signatures or reinstall manually. Next, sideloading. Okay, sideloading basically. Sideloading. A desktop app that installs the .ipa file to your iPhone by signing them with your Apple ID. Pros: simple drag and drop UI, works with free Apple ID, 7-day expiry, or paid dev for 1 year. More straightforward for one-off .ipa installs. The cons: same signing limit, 7-day free. Some anti-cheat or DRM apps may refuse to run. If the Apple accounts hit rate limits, you may need a paid dev account. Okay, you're gonna download Sideloadly for Mac or iOS, Mac or Windows. Launch Sideloadly. Connect your iPhone via USB and trust the computer. Drag your .ipa into Sideloadly. Enter your Apple ID. or use an app-specific signing service if available. Choose options and then press start. When finished, on iPhone, go to the settings again, then general, and then head VPN and device management. Trust the profile for your Apple ID if prompted. If app stops working after 7 days, re-sideload or renew with Sideloadly. With paid developer account, you get 1 year certs. Okay? So, quick comparison in when to use which. AltStore, regular user who wants stable sideloading without paying for dev account, except the 7-day refresh burden. Sideloadly, simple one-time .ipa file installs, good for quick tests. Okay, and Xcode, we never mentioned it, but it's from Apple, basically developer building from the source actually. So if you want official tool chain provisioning, right? So it's an Apple developed app. So keep it smart. Sideloading gives power and flexibility, but it also removes Apple's vetting layer. If you know why you're doing it, back up first. Use trusted methods like AltStore and Xcode, and avoid shady one-click stores. If you want, right? Then basically use AltStore or Xcode to start your journey. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.